If your internet is acting up, slow speeds, or websites not loading correctly, your DNS cache might be to blame. It can store outdated or corrupted records, causing connectivity issues. Let's get started. Start by opening the Start menu and typing CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the terminal opens, all you need to do is type the following command: IP protocol configuration flushdns, and hit Enter. You'll get a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. That's it. Your system will now resolve domains with the most up-to-date information, potentially fixing those annoying loading issues instantly. If you'd like to double-check your current DNS and network configuration, type IP protocol configuration all and press Enter. This will display detailed information about your network adapters and DNS settings, so you can confirm everything is working as it should. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.